Hi guys, what's up? I hope you're doing very well. Today you joined me on a lovely sunny day for a bit of a chat really, and a thank you. So if that interests you, stick around for a minute and we'll get into it. So guys, I felt the need to come out and just have a bit of a thank you, have a bit of a chat. I just wanted to, you know, just really say thanks. I hit 500 subscribers yesterday, or the day before yesterday, a few days ago, I don't know, which is a small achievement in the grand scheme of things, but for me that's a big achievement. I started with 0, so I'm just super chuffed that the stuff that I film, he waved at me for some reason, the stuff that I film, you know, has actually got a few people that have actually been nice enough to click the subscribe button. So I just wanted to say thanks. A little bit of what's going to happen in the future with regards to the channel, what I want to do, and you know, do I intend on growing the channel, for example, that sort of stuff. So yeah, I do. I'd love to get a few more test rides on bikes that are, you know, all different types of bikes, new ones that are coming out, and I'm not really a big enough channel to really be able to just get on all of the latest bit of machinery like, you know, a lot of the big guys do, and girls should I say, all having the latest bit of kit, but I do my best, especially now the summer's here. It should be a very nice opportunity. So yeah, I've really enjoyed the YouTube game so far. It is actually more effort than I initially expected getting on YouTube. I mean, the video editing has been fun to learn. I mean, anyone that has any questions about the editing side of things, feel free to give me a message, and I'll pop down below the sort of software I use. And you know, there's various softwares out there that are really good, but I think that was the trickiest part, is learning what setup to use, i.e. with the GoPro, and I've gone through that in another video which I'll link up there now. And I've also trying to figure out how to edit it. And you know, I look at some videos that are, you know, established YouTuber videos, and I'm like, whoa, how do I even start with that sort of stuff? Like little things, and this is going to sound, you know, kind of minuscule if you're a regular editor or even have ever tried it before, but the little thing like blurring a number plate or blurring something in a video is, yeah, it's not very hard, but to learn how to actually do it is can be a bit tricky. So yeah, I'm super chuffed that I've got to this point, onwards and upwards. So I really hope that I can get to the 1,000. That's my goal at the moment, to get to 1,000 subscribers. So working towards something. I think, you know, we're in the 30s now with videos, so not too bad. I don't think the market for, to say market, that's not really right. I don't think the real audience for motorcycle vlogging is huge, especially in the UK. Even the top channels in the UK have only got like, not even got 300,000 subscribers. So I don't think the audience is really huge. But I don't do it for the audience. I'm not doing it to, you know, get money for this. I just want to have a bit of fun. I think the biggest thing of starting YouTube was to just enjoy myself on a bike, share the love of bikes with people that thinks in a similar fashion, and you know, have good chats with everyone. And it's really nice. It's really nice to do. And that's the goal really, is just to have great experiences and share it. I think videoing yourself riding is quite fun as well. I mean, if anyone wants to try it, grab yourself a little bit of a setup and give it a go. It's good fun. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, there's a glider in the sky being towed. That's quite cool. So yeah, I think I'm sort of there at the moment with regards to, you know, the content. Like I say the content's never good enough to what I want, but I think I'm there with regards to my setup. I'm quite comfortable with how to film and all that sort of stuff. Look at this view. Very lucky to be on the South Downs. Such a lovely place. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm quite comfortable with the setup, and I just need to work on my content really, and work on, you know, what sort of stuff that people want. And I get a few questions now and again which I do try and answer, and I try to make videos for you guys to sort of tailor your needs and what you want. So I will continue to do that, and hopefully we'll get somewhere. And it'd be really great to get a bit more established and get, you know, involved in some shows and stuff. And yeah, I mean, that's the goal. That'll be the goal. And there's some really good YouTubers out there who I really quite rate and how they do their videos. I really hate videos that are just like purely sponsored, and they have to stop halfway through the video to sponsor a product. And I get it, it's how they make money, and it kind of ruins the video halfway through for me, and I don't, you know, hopefully we'll never have to do that. But you know, I understand if someone makes it their full-time job, then that's just how it is. They just hate it when there's like a plain BMW just sort of behind you, never lets you quite get away from it, but it just follows you a little bit longer than you're comfortable with, and you're like, is that an undercover police car? You just don't know. Who knows? So yes, guys, I just bought a Cardo. If any of you follow me on my Instagram, it's quite like Mike92. You can see that I've just bought a Cardo Edge. Bought one of those, so I will probably try and do a review on that just to see if it's as much as it's well, if it's worth the cost, because it is quite a cost indeed, much more than I was willing to really pay, but it is very good, and I will do a review on it. I'll tell you one thing about summer is these little bugs that just come somehow make their way up into your helmet and then just buzz around, stick into your cheek, or I had one the other day that went into my ear and it was horrendous. See if I can gap this BMW just a touch without breaking laws. So yeah, you guys have been super engaging, which I really love. It's been great to talk to a load of people from all around the world. I looked at my YouTube analytics the other day, and I have a 15% audience so far in the US. So how you doing in the US? Thanks very much for watching. Do you like the US? Well, I haven't been there very much. Went there last year for a bit of a trip with business, and ended up in New York and South Carolina and LA. Did like the food in South Carolina, I must say. Very good barbecue food. And yeah, Americans are super lovely people, very welcoming, and oh my god, oh, fucking hell, very welcoming and very polite. So yeah, I don't know what the tip thing is over there though. I mean, god, I've never been asked for so many tips in my life. I think it's something to do with how that's how you make money and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to try and get a video out mostly once a week. That's the goal really, to get one a week going, just so it's sort of consistent, so everyone gets the idea, you know, once a week, every Sunday. If you do like my videos, you know that on a Sunday or whatever day I choose, it's probably going to be a Sunday as it is now, then you'll get a video, which is nice, gives you that bit of consistency, which is what I really need to do. It's very hard to release a video a week when you're working full time and doing everything life throws at you, but I will do my best. But yeah guys, if you have any requests, you know, if it's to do with an MT10, I know a lot of my audience is probably on MT10s, because a lot of my videos are on MT10s. But yeah, if you have anything you want to request, leave it down in the comments below. I'll quite happily try my best to do it. So that was it really guys. I just wanted to say thanks for subscribing, thanks for supporting me so far. I know there's a small number of you, but I really do appreciate it. I will continue onwards and upwards and keep pushing out some videos for you. As the summer's coming up, please take care, ride safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.